guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today, we're gonna go ahead and do a review on my new 88 key digital piano. I do wanna say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and actually check it out. So you can't see it, but it's literally all of my table right here. See what this is. Looks like it's the pedal. Here it is. User manual and a couple other items in here. The power adapter. Some headphones. And the legs for it to stand on. All right, I'm just gonna make some space to actually put the piano here. All right, there we go. All right, so now let's get the rest of the accessories and actually set it up. All right, we got it all set up with the legs, the pedal. Got our spot to hold our music here, along with the clip. And for the piano, nice little cloth for it. Let's go ahead and actually power on. Like I said, it also comes with the headphones. Let's go ahead and power them on. Let's see, boom. Play with the volume here. Demo rhythm, volume, record, split, tone, replay, chord, touch, sync, metronome, start, stop, power. So should be ready. Yep, ready to go. Super simple to set up. So let's go and actually try it out. All right, so now let's go and actually try it out. I am a 100% beginner, but it's for everybody. Boom. Alright guys, so if you guys are looking for a new piano, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.